YouTube friends and family. I am back. Spring break 2023 is over and in the books. Why am I wearing a sweatshirt in March? It's cold. It was cold in Atlanta. It was in the 30s at night. Voice gone because of my 6-hour concerts on the way back because I sang my little heart out even though I cannot sing a lick. But Sirius XM, Smooth Grooves or whatever that station is, keep me going. Keep me going on the ride. So we doing the Snoopy and Tweety Bird. I got this from Walmart like last year and I probably filmed it. It was on clearance for $3 and I pulled it out the closet because it's good for keeping warm. Good for getting out in the garden on cold days, which I still need to do. I'm still the lazy HOA gardener with a focus on lazy these days. But it's okay. It's okay. So, I'm not sure which I'm going to post first, but I did in Jacksonville. I'm in Jacksonville. And we don't have a pop shelf yet, but I frequent Georgia. I frequent shopping in Georgia, Exit 3, Kingsland. And on the way back, I stopped through. I was really headed to another Goodwill. So there's a big, huge, massive thrifting haul. Because I did a lot of thrifting in Atlanta. It was a wonderful place to thrift. And it was a rainy day. So that's what we did because it was indoors and just to get out and about. So I got a big thrifting haul video coming up. So subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss it. Oh my goodness. And I do have an eBay store. I will share that and link it once I change the store's name to reflect this channel's name so it's easy to find. But I found a lot of stuff that I have my eBay store and I'm relisted on eBay. But this video is about my pop shelf experience. So I did film a browse with me, went through the store. I do have some shorts I'll link above and throughout the video. Some shorts showing the garden center. Oh, it was so nice. So what Pop Shelf is they have merged with Dollar General somehow. So I got some insider secrets. I was talking to I talked to the staff and everything, and she was very, very nice. The store was so neat and pristine and beautiful. It was so worth the ride. Like, I may legit go back within the next week. Legit go back to the store in the next week. Even though it's like a 30-minute drive for me. So it's not that bad. But they are a subsidiary of Dollar General. They are going to open 200 stores around the United States. I think they're kind of based out of Canada or something. But when she said Dollar General, I say, so are y'all going to have penny items? And she was like, no, we will have down to 90% on the seasonal. So 90% on seasonal. And then their store is so neat that you probably, their items will penny, but they will pull because the store is neat. And all they got to do is walk to the shelf, pull the item the night before. So no pennies, but 90% in a neat store is so worth it. It is so worth it. That store is pristine. I hope it stays that way. And again, it's not in Jacksonville, so it may stay that way. And it may be worth the drive. So I really appreciated the experience. Now, something else. I'm going to get to this. This was free. So while I was in the store, I did show in my video where they had this display. If you sign up for email and text, free email and text alerts, you get to pick a free box. So I picked the favorites box. So they had beauty, spa, candles, and favorites. So this is the mystery box, mystery pop shelf box. Thumbnail, mystery pop shelf box. I'm going to open this at the end. But I got a short haul. It's real short. Something I shouldn't have bought, but I had a sweet tooth when I walked in. These $3. But they really rang up like $2.85, two something. In fact, yeah, they rang up $2.95, so not much difference. $2.95 for the Chips Ahoy Reese's. These things were awesome. I bought them home last night, and it's only one roll left. It was only 3 rolls to begin with. It's the smallest Chips Ahoy that I ever seen. Shrinkage, shrinkage, shrinkage. But they were delicious. And then I purchased more dryer balls. Even though I have at least a year or 2 or 3 supplies of dryer sheets, I'm going to go, you know, kind of switch to the dryer balls. And after my laundry room makeover video, I'll try to remember to link it. These are cute in a jar if they're being used in a jar, you know, in my little tray display of all my supplies. This would be cute. I have blue, I have white. I have a blue and white tray, so I thought that would be cute to have. And it's 3 in here for $5. 3 wool dry balls for $5. So that's close enough and comparable to the Dollar Tree. Then I found this. Now, can you tell the difference between this and a Bath and Body Works? Not at all. This was a $5 candle. Rice, milk, and almond. It has a nice light scent. Now, I have not. Maybe I'll do a short later. Okay, open it. Let's keep trying. Maybe I'll do a short later on the throw. But it's a 3-wick. You can barely see it. That sun's so bright. It's a 3-wick. And it smells like a coconut milk kind of. So it's a nice light scent. It may not be strong, but it was a $5 candle and very cute. And then the last thing I bought, I tell y'all the books. So I'm having some troubles, and I think I want to cut back on meat, find different ways to cook the vegetables and stuff that we will be growing. So, and turning it into a meal. So this vegan on a budget was $5. It has 125 healthy, wallet-friendly recipes, plant-based recipes. And I may use it as a reference because they use ramen noodles. So I don't think those agree with me too hot. Even though I used to love them and every now and then I crave them. They had a ramen noodle in here. They have a West African inspired peanut stew. So that sounds very interesting. Let me pick something else. Let's see. So I kind of went through it a little bit, looked around, and said, okay, for 125 recipes, they have cozy casseroles, stir-fried collard greens with cabbage and carrots, which I already stir-fried my collard greens. But that's stuff that we will be growing. So this is a good, reference for ideas. I don't follow recipes to the letter, so something good. I love my little books and cookbooks. And every now and then I crack them open. Like a long time ago, Five Below, early middle of last year, maybe the year before, that all you can grow, all you can eat in 3 square feet book is amazing. If you see it anywhere, grab it. To my gardeners. Okay, so now the opening of the pop shelf box. Yay! So let's see what we gave our email address and phone number away for. This is my unboxing for you, so you'll know if you want to do it. But I only got 1 box. I'm telling cameraman, and he giving me all this kickback to do it on his phone that I pay for. And he giving me this kickback, so I just let it go because I was tired at that point. But, oh wow, okay, it's some stuff in here. And some true stuff I can use. Okay, so, and Time and Table is a Walmart brand. That's a Walmart brand. So we got a Time and Table spoon rest. Spoon rest. They had a $3 price tag on it, and you're getting it for free. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Like that. Yeah, I'm going to have to use his phone next time. And we're going to scan up something. Now, I don't know what we supposed. I guess just to get stuff out of a jar. To scrape a jar. And it says, this is, sizzle and stir. Sizzle and stir 2-piece mini bamboo silicone utensil set. Cool, cool, cool. All springy colors. Then you got some basket grass you can use for your Easter baskets. Which I'm only gonna do one for cameraman and maybe an adult one this year. So I'm trying to get that video together, hopefully in time before Easter. And here is a silicone, and this is from Sizzle and Stir, a silicone trivet. So this is for when you sit in hot pots on the counter. You don't want to burn your stone granites or whatever counters you have. So that was it. I was very restrained, even though I saw some beautiful stuff in there. Definitely, if you are in the area of a brand new pop shelf, go down there and see if they have these boxes. It's worth it to visit, and it's worth it to get your little free box. So what they gave me, one was $5, what, $3? There's no price on this, so I'll say about $9 worth of merch. You know, maybe $6, $7 worth of merchandise for free. So that was it for this video. I am filming all day, so you're going to see me in the video with this Snoopy shirt on. Maybe I will change shirts. I don't know. But I'm glad you watched this video. Shouldn't have took 12 minutes to show you 4 items, but I hope you learned something about pop shelves. Be on the lookout. Subscribe to the channel. I will make those trips when they go 90% off, so you might want to follow me, especially when they go 90% off on those gardening things, because that's how I get most of the things for my gardening yard and all the pretty decorative stuff that I'm going to put out this spring. 90% Hobby Lobby, 90% Dollar General, now 90% at Pop Shelf. So, thank you so much for watching. Remember, plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Prep and pray. And I love you to life. Thank you. Have a great day. And get out there and work in those gardens. Bye-bye.